Tired of downloading, emailing, and then uploading documents just to get a signature? Let's dive into a seamless way to DocuSign your Google Docs directly from your Google Drive. First, open the Google Doc you want to send for signature. Next, click on the Add-ons menu at the top of your screen. If you don't already have the DocuSign add-on installed, select Get Add-ons. In the Google Workspace Marketplace search bar, type DocuSign and press Enter. Find the DocuSign e-signature for Google Docs add-on and click on it. Then select Install. You may need to grant permissions for DocuSign to access your Google Drive. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Now, back in your Google Doc, click on Add-ons again. You should now see DocuSign e-signature in the drop-down menu. Hover over it and select Sign with DocuSign. A DocuSign sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll configure your signing process. Click on Add Recipients and enter the email addresses of the people you need to sign the document. You can also customize a personal message for each recipient. Once you've added all recipients and customized your message, carefully review everything, and when you're ready, hit the Send button. DocuSign will then send an email to each recipient with a link to sign the document. You can track the signing progress directly from your DocuSign account, making document management easier than ever.